Hello everyone, this is Anna Frankel with McGuire Real Estate, and this is part 3 of my video series for the home buying process. It is going to be about open houses and how to be an open house pro. So it turns out I actually already made a video for this last year and it worked out really well, so we're just going to add it on to our series. All right, here we go. Hi everyone, this is Anna Frankel with McGuire Real Estate, and today I'm going to be giving you some tips to be an open house pro. So tip 1, know your purchasing power. This is important because you do not want to be going to an open house, falling in love with the home, and then learning you can't afford it. So the way to learn about your purchasing power is to actually get a pre-approval from a bank, a credit union, or a lender. Pro tip 2 is to get your list together. Be prepared. So where can you get this list? You can ask a buyer's agent like myself for the list. We could gather together a list of open houses for Saturday and Sunday. Zillow and Redfin and other websites also have search functions that you could look for open houses, and then that way when you're out and about, it isn't aimlessly, it is with an intention to go to certain places. And pro tip 3 is something I actually do when I'm on broker's tour, which is to map out the homes that I'm going to go visit. And this is great because it saves you time and it also gives you a route that makes the most sense to see the most houses on that particular day. The next pro tip is when you are looking at very many homes, it's very easy to get distracted by different features of the home. So always have with you a list of your own personal must-haves or needs or wants. And then that way, as you look through a home, you can say, oh yes, this has the yard that I want, or the garage that I want, or the deck that I want, or no, it doesn't. The next open house pro tip is to look at everything. You may be surprised to hear this, but it does happen. Some buyers actually get to look at a home only once, so you want to make sure to look at everything when you have that one chance to do so. So open doors, check out the little nooks and the crannies, look at the different details there, because you do want to make it count for when you are actually there on that visit. The next tip is to check out the neighborhood. As you are driving there to the open house, look at the surrounding homes, look at, are they well maintained, are they newer, are the neighbors out there? That way you could get a sense more of how it is when you actually live there yourself or are driving through the same streets over and over again. And my last open house pro tip for you today is to talk to a neighbor. Casually ask them about how long they've lived there, how do they like it. You'd be really surprised how much you can learn from a neighbor and some information that you won't probably be getting from other places online as well. So those are my pro tips for open houses, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment and I'd be happy to answer them. And if you yourself are looking for an open house list, you can always contact me as well. So that's it for Anna Frankel here at McGuire Real Estate. Bye.